We are still a couple of months away from the launch of the Galaxy S23 series. However, the specifications of Samsung's upcoming flagship smartphone have been revealed as the device recently received the necessary TNAA certification. This certification reveals details about the phone's display, processor, cameras, and battery capacity. As per TNAA certification documents, the Galaxy S23 Ultra display measures 6.8 inches diagonally and has a QHD Plus resolution. The device has 4G LTE and 5G connectivity. Its octa-core processor has 3 CPU clusters, with one cluster running at 3.36 GHz and the other two running at 2.8 GHz and 2 GHz respectively. It is like the faster Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 with a higher clock speed than the vanilla Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. The smartphone has 8 GB, 12 GB RAM and 256 GB, 512 GB and 1 TB storage. The Galaxy S23 Ultra has 4 rear cameras: 200-megapixel primary, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, 10-megapixel 3x telephoto, and 10-megapixel telephoto with 10x optical zoom. However, the certification documents claim that it has 12-megapixel telephoto cameras, likely because Samsung upscales images from its 10-megapixel sensors to 12-megapixel resolution for consistency. The document also reveals that Samsung's upcoming high-end phone has Bluetooth, USB, gyro sensor, proximity sensor, light sensor, under-display fingerprint reader, and face recognition. It measures 163.4 mm height, 78.1 mm width, 8.9 mm thickness, and 233 grams weight. It also features a 4,855 mAh battery, which will be marketed as a 5,000 mAh battery. Galaxy S23 Ultra specifications are now completely confirmed. But what do you think about upcoming Galaxy S23 Ultra? It will be big upgrade. Give your opinion in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.